Not the frogs, no. Fucking frogs. Get that smoke! Get that smoke! Grab the smoke! Grab that fucking smoke. Whoa! Alright.
Oh, fuck, we got smoke. Is that ours?
Yeah, this guy's gonna go grab it. Throw that bitch. Yeah.
The guy who keeps shooting at, he's just popping in the air. Straight ahead next to the building. Right off to the left. Let's go, Yellow!
That's left!
Straight ahead!
Yeah!
Move up! Move up!
Oh. Keep pushing! Nice one, nice one. Keep it up. That's right, that's right. Broke a ball. Yeah, broke a ball. Oh, nice, man.
Yeah!
Oh,
Woo!
Jesus.
I heard you coming, man.
Oh,
Oh, that
I was waiting for
good.
somebody else to come running up.
That
But,
was so good.
fuck.
Oh, I'm so glad you did that.
It's all about the video, I'm
Oh,
telling
hell
you.
yeah. Woo!
Man.
Just to think last insertion I got shot in the dick,
Oh,
and here I am.
yeah.
I'm so glad I got you once, though, I gotta say. I did not think. It was one of those, one or the others.
Yeah. Excuse me, thank you. Jesus. That's something.
Wow, bro.
I had no idea how many people were there. I saw
Oh,
somebody just run up, and I was like, yeah, geez, there could be like 4 people.
Oh,
I don't know.
great.
I thought I was gonna get blown away.
You said you're making a video?
Oh yeah.
Hey, can I say one thing?
Yeah.
You gotta look at me when you do it. Walking Dead killed you. That's a 30-year-old team.
That's fine. That's the way it goes.
Hey, promise me you'll use
Vintage
your footy.
teams.
You use that footy. Really, the team name, I don't care.
Yeah.
But you running up on me, man, I gotta see it.
Yeah.
What's you gonna hang it as?
YouTube/Yudna2. It's my name backwards. Andy, A-N-D-Y, backwards, with a 2 at the end.
Backwards?
Yeah, with a 2 at the end.
Okay.
A lot of videos from out here.
YDNY.
Yep.
2?
Yep.
Yeah, dude, I'll check it out, man.
Next couple
Please
weeks.
put that shit on there. I'm trying to get my friends to go, and dude, if they see that shit, I'm like, oh, it's me.
Yeah.
He fucking shot shit on me. He got me twice.
Oh, that's good stuff.
That was great.
Yeah.
Well,
I'll see ya.
yeah, dude.
And I'm still recording. Always recording.
5 minutes left to the end of the game, the first half, anyway.